Hello and welcome to the unit tutorial for Science Year 5 Unit 2 Forces, and this is video part 1. This unit tutorial will be in 2 parts, during which I will walk you through the unit so you come out being confident in how to access the resources, the content of the unit, and how to make any adaptations for your class. So we'll walk you through the following areas: what resources are available and how to access them, the unit's disciplinary and substantive concepts, and the unit sequence of learning. There are many resources available for this unit on Oxford OWL: the Science Progression Document, the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, the Unit Planning Guidance, PowerPoint slides for every lesson, Pupil Workbook, the eBook Workbook online, additional resources to go alongside the lessons, and the Pupil Knowledge Guide. To access the resources, log into Oxford OWL, click on Subscriptions and the subject and year group you want. You can scroll through all the resources or use the drop-down tabs to select the year group and unit. Here you'll find all the resources you'll need to successfully teach that unit. Here's an overview of the disciplinary and substantive concepts for this unit. You can pause the video and read through them here, but you can also find them in the progression document for this subject and the unit planning guidance. There are many prior and future learning links across the units, but these are the main ones we identified. Year 3, Forces and Magnets, and Key Stage 3, Motion and Forces. This is the lesson sequence for this unit. There are 6 lessons in this unit, which are approximately 2 hours each. Each lesson question drives the learning for that lesson. Pupils should be able to answer the lesson question based on their new learning at the end of the lesson. To support this learning, at the start of each lesson, pupils complete a knowledge quiz based entirely on the previous lesson's learning. This also allows opportunities for teachers to check for understanding and address any misconceptions. Every lesson also ends with 2 exit questions, which also allows teachers to judge the understanding of pupils before moving on to the next lesson. To prepare the teacher unit, we recommend you read through the Teacher Subject Knowledge Guide, read through the unit planning guidance to have any upcoming trip suggestions or activities that need resources, as well as checking out those future and prior learning points, and use a copy of the Pupil Workbook to complete the activities yourself. We'd recommend using a Pupil Workbook as a teacher copy to do this. We provide the answers for each activity, but working through the activities yourself will allow you to put yourself in your pupil's shoes, as well as starting the process of working out what adaptations may need to be made. Before you start video part 2, take some time to complete your exemplars for each of the lesson activities, and we'll see you back for part 2, where we'll look at adaptations and key moments within the unit to prepare for.